everybody. Today I'd like to tell you about a product I bought off Amazon called Tub Towels Heavy Duty Cleaning Wipes. Now there's a lot of uses for these, but I wanted to use them mainly to clean my motorcycle. And I thought what I'd do is demonstrate to you exactly how I use them and see what kind of results I get. As you can see, I've been riding and I've got some just road grime on this exhaust pipe. Let's take our heavy duty cleaning wipe from the tub of towels and see what it does. And as you can see, they're quite large. I've got 2 towels out. Let's get this one. That's a good sized towel, okay? And these actually fold. So not only do you get that, if you want to use it heavy duty, you leave it folded up. But if you got just a light duty cleaning task, you can do it with just opening it up, okay? So let's see how it does on this exhaust pipe, see if it cleans it. Not bad. I didn't have to drag out the wash tub and wash the whole bike. The Tub of Towels Heavy Duty Cleaning Wipes make it quick and easy to wipe down your bike after a ride and give you more time between those full-on wash sessions that you got to do. At $16.18 for a tub of towels, you get plenty of towels. That should last a long time, particularly the way I'm using them. They do a good job. I definitely have to recommend Tub of Towels from Amazon.